Trane XRs. The Acacia park here. These two are twins, as you can tell. Both made in August of 2022. Wow. This one is shorter and it was made in December of 2021. I do believe they are air conditioners. They're not heat pumps. All of them Trane XRs. And not running right now because they are probably dormant until probably this summer. And they're new, brand new, installed here. Look how shiny that fan is. There's a compressor there on that one. There's a compressor on that one. Look at that. The fan just barely touches that compressor there because of how short it is. It's quite interesting to see. That one being 2 years older. These one being the oldest twins. Oh, that one is 2 years old. And this one is at least about a year old. That's kind of interesting. Anyways, yeah, that was kind of cool to see.